Welcome back to NYSE TV Live. I'm Kristen Schuller down here on the floor of the stock exchange, and joining me now is the man of the hour. He's the chair and CEO of ResMed, Michael McFarrell. Michael, great to have you, and congratulations. 25 years listed here at the stock exchange, here for your Investor Day. What do shareholders need to know?
Well, look, yeah, it's 35 years that ResMed's been around, helping the world sleep better, breathe better, and live better lives in their home. And so what do investors need to know? What do the people need to know? There are 1 billion people worldwide who suffocate every night with sleep apnea. I call it sleep suffocation. Bobby, the cameraman operating here, is a patient. I'm not breaking HIPAA law, he just told me, and thumbs up, it changed his life. This all started, ResMed started 35 years ago. My father met a patient called Eddie Merck, and he asked, why are you using this product? And Eddie Merck, patient zero, said, this saved my job, it saved my marriage, and it saved my life. So we're planning to do that for hundreds of millions of people worldwide. Our 5-year strategy that we're launching today, a ResMed 2030 strategy, we're going to help 500 million people of the 2.3 billion worldwide that have sleep apnea, insomnia, or COPD, or respiratory insufficiency. So it's a big journey. It's an exciting event. 100 quarters on the big board. We're really excited to celebrate 25 years on NYSE, but more important, we're excited about the future. And ResMed 2030, we're launching that today.
100 years, 100 quarters, that is quite a celebration here at the New York Stock Exchange. And in terms of the sleep devices that help people and change their lives, I know you're not launching a new one today. Tell me more about it.
Well, look, yeah, we have a fantastic platform, the AirSense 11, that's out there in the market and been out for about a year. AirCurve 11, which is the bi-levels, launched earlier this year. But today, before the market opened, and maybe that's why we're up about 3.7% today on the big board, is we launched a new product called the N30i. And this is revolutionary because many people who use our products, it's liquid silicon rubber. It's a plastic that sort of forms the nasal connections that give you the pneumatic stent that keeps the patient breathing and alive. We today are launching our first fabric-based mask. So think about, you sleep in sheets with fabric and nice, comfortable fabrics. Why have a medical equipment that is a piece of plastic? And so we're launching the world's first fabric-driven sleep apnea mask called the N30i. So excited to show that to the world today and to see what it can do to help the world sleep better, breathe better, and live better lives.
We do see the stock up several percentage points here shortly after the open, Mick. And I'm curious, too, in terms of the digital connectivity component about this, how does that factor in? What does that mean for your business and for your consumers?
It's a really good question, Krista, because this is so much more than just a physical device, a CPAP and APAP, a bi-level. It's more than just the physical connection device, the mask that forms that pneumatic seal. It's the digital health ecosystem. And we now have 8.3 million people who have an app called My Air, where they're able to see, like you would with a Fitbit, you see how many steps you've taken, exercise. My Air is like a Fitbit for sleep. It shows you how you slept, how you were breathing, how you woke. And today we're launching some upgrades that the My Air data can go from your phone to your Apple Watch and to other ecosystems. So we're getting in the Apple Health ecosystem there as well. I'm really excited to see 2 big brands get involved in the sleep health area. Samsung just launched the Samsung Galaxy Watch with FDA de novo clearance to detect moderate to severe sleep apnea. And Apple just recently, earlier this month, launched an ability to detect for sleep apnea right from the Apple Watch as well. So 2 huge consumer tech companies jumping into the field of sleep screening and sleep diagnostic. What ResMed has to do is then take them from I call it sort of a sleep health concierge, from, oh wow, I might have a problem, my phone has told me, my watch has told me, to screening, diagnosis, treatment, and management for life for their medical condition.
Mick, my final question to you is, in the healthcare space, we see a lot of focus on some of these GLP-1 drugs, weight loss drugs. What does that mean for your business, the increasing popularity and use of these?
Yeah, so there's 2 big mega trends I talked about, the consumer tech companies getting involved in sleep. Big pharma getting involved in sleep is really interesting as well. And we actually think there'll be a drug with an indication for use to be involved in sleep apnea. And we think the combination therapy of CPAP, APAP, bi-level with a GLP-1 will probably become standard of care for many patients. But look, it's early days for this new class of medicines. They'll probably be as big as high blood pressure meds and high cholesterol medicines. And so we're watching this. What we have is data that shows that a patient on a GLP-1 is 10.7% more likely to start CPAP, APAP bilevel therapy, and they're more likely to stay over time as well. So we think that combination therapy will be the future of medicine. But look, it's always been about lowering weight and improving breathing together. We get to do that at scale now.
Mick, we so appreciate you joining. Of course, big day for your company. Congratulations, 25 years listed here at the Stock Exchange.